Hi guys, this is Nisha. Welcome to Stew channel. So in this video, I'm going to make boring dishes into something really different. So if you're just like me who really hates eating boring food, but at the same time are lazy to do very lengthy recipes, okay, then you're at the right place. So I'm gonna make boring food more interesting, more tasty and delicious, and the recipe is also really simple and easy to make. So today let's make a sweet corn dish. Sweet corn is something people like to eat by boiling it or by just heating it on the normal fire. But those are the only things how people eat sweet corn. There are many other dishes too, but they're really hard and take a lot of time. So I'm going to make really simple delicious dishes using sweet corn. So today I like to make a video regarding this. So let's make two recipes using sweet corn. The first recipe would be Sweetcorn Chatpata and the second recipe would be sweet corn fried rice. Alright, let's get into the video without wasting our time. Once the pan is heated, add 2 spoons of oil. Add 2 balls sweet corn, 2 balls. Add salt, now add chaat masala. So in place of chaat masala you can use coriander powder, cumin powder or any powder which you really like, or you can even add garam masala. Wait for some time, keep it in a low flame, fry for almost 2 minutes. Now add little coriander. Keep on stirring so that it don't turn to black or something. The smell is so good. Chaat smell and the sweet corn crispy taste. I could feel the good smell. Now add lime juice. At last add some chili powder. One pinch of chili powder. Okay, now our Sweetcorn Chatpata masala is ready to serve and eat. Now I'm switching off the flame. Now finally garnish it with little coriander again. And yeah. So let's take this into a serving bowl. First add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Then add ginger and garlic chopped into fine pieces. Keep it in low flame. Now add chilies. Mediumly chopped onions. Keep stirring, and I have put the flame into high mode. slightly turn into light brown. I have put it in low flame. I am adding 1 cup of sweet corn. Another bowl of sweet corn. Sweet corn doesn't take a lot of time to cook, so I'll be adding little salt, just a little bit of salt to taste. So basically, whenever you add salt to any vegetable, water out of it comes. Add 2 pinches of chili powder. This is sweet corn rice. It is in the kind of Chinese style. That's why I've chopped this ginger and garlic into fine pieces. If you don't like adding ginger and garlic into small pieces, you can add ginger garlic paste. Eat one of the sweet corn from it so that you can taste whether it is cooked properly or not. Pinch of turmeric, as turmeric is really good for health. I'm going to add a little chili powder. Now I'm adding 1 spoon of garam masala. So based upon the quantity, you need to add the masala, salt and red chili powder and everything. Now I'm adding the rice. Once I've added rice, I'm putting it in high flame. So now we have to stir continuously because we have put it in a high flame. Now add lime juice. Add a little bit of coriander. Finely chopped coriander. And a little bit, only half spoon or 1 spoon of kasturi methi. Kasturi methi. Now give a final toss. Wow, wow, wow. It smells so good. The flavor of this coriander and kasturi methi. You can add a little bit of coriander also, but it's up to you again, you know. See, whenever you add something to a fried rice or it's just up to you what you will add. You can add tasting salt, but tasting salt is not good for health, so I'm just skipping that part. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm done. I'm switching up the flame. Hi guys, now this is our tasting time. Now I'm ready to taste Sweetcorn Chatpata, which I have done previously. It looks so delicious. Look at that. Fried sweet corn with chaat masala and coriander sprinkled on it. And even the lemon flavor tastes so good. So if you are if you are not that much hungry, then you can make this, prepare the Sweetcorn Chatpata. And now let's go to second recipe. If you are very hungry, then you have to make this. Now I'm going to taste this and tell you how it tastes. So you can see I have sprinkled a little coriander on the top. I can